How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Today we got the Dragonite V box. See, it comes with the one foil promo card featuring Dragonite V, one oversized card, 4 booster packs, and some code cards for you guys. Let's get this bad boy open. Let's see. There we go. Get that promo card out of there. Dragonite V promo. The oversized version of it, of course. Set that over here. Let's see what we got. Got Evolving Skies, Fusion Strike, Chilling Rain, and a Vivid Voltage. Here's that code for you. Right over there. Alright, let's start with the Vivid Voltage. You got Pikachu on the front. Code card for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Get our energy card. Got Trumbeat, Nessa, Crocorock, Whismur, Execute, Woobat, Beldum, Blitzel. All right, got an alternative art, Jirachi, and got that holographic Zekrom on the back. Excellent. Definitely going to sleeve this guy up. There we go. Oops. Start with the Chilling Rain pack out of that Dragonite V box. Come on, man. It's be a rough day again for me opening these packs. Got our code card for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Water Energy. Honey. Drizzle. Cybold. Ghastly. Kubufu. Hatina. Sobble. Bounsweet. Melanie. And Slurpuff on the back. Nothing special. All right, next pack, we're going to do Fusion Strike out of the Dragonite V box. These ones always open up just perfectly, in my opinion. Let me know your opinion about Fusion Strike. All the packs I see are on sale, so maybe people don't like them as much. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Energy card, Bug Catcher, Fusion Strike Energy, Turtonator, Galarian Corsola, Quillfish, Vulpix, Chansey, Galarian Zigzagoon, Lapras, and, ooh, Chilean Chancrest, full art. Nice. I have not got this one yet. Go ahead and sleeve this guy up. Excellent. That's what I like to see. We got Evolving Skies. code card for you. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Getting rid of our energy card. Skiploom. Fletchinder. Shopping Center. Phoebos. Hoppip. Hitmonchan. Fletching. Tentacool. Gigalith Reverse Hollow. And a Smeargle. Alright, so that's it for the Dragonite V-Box. Here I got a little extra vivid voltage action for you guys today. I'll open this bad boy up. Here's that code card for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Get rid of our Mystic Energy, get rid of that. Mega Cargo. Swoobat. Hitmontop. Shuppet. Puchinia. Voltorb. Rockruff. Jello. And Gross. Reverse Hollow. There's something peeking. Let's see what it is. The Egglash V. Let's sleeve this guy up. Alright, I got more vivid voltage where that came from. Just keep opening them up. A code card for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Get rid of our energy card. Got Beauty. Dusclops. Spristrika. Eevee. Woobat. Arrokuda. Seedot. Loudred. Reverse Hollow. And Togekiss V. That's a nice one. We're getting a lot of hits today, guys. A lot of hits. Let's leave that guy up. Throw it in the sleeve pile. Got another vivid voltage for you. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Getting rid of our energy card. Go-Goat. Galvatula. Sableye. Arrokuda again. Kata. Pikapek. Puchinia. Rockruff. Opal. Reverse Hollow. And Shiftry on the back. Nothing crazy in that one. Alright, we've got our final vivid voltage pack for you. Go and pop this bad boy open. Code card for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Getting rid of our energy card. Got Swoobat. Drone Rodden. Cramorant. Pineco, Mudbray, Puchinia, and a nice little Charmander running through the grass there. Chatot. Got a Cottonee Reverse Hollow and a Regirock holographic. Got our last and final vivid voltage pack here for you guys. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. We're on the search for that Rainbow Pikachu on these vivid voltage, that's for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, getting rid. Our energy card I just bent. Ferrothorn. Go-Goat. Memory Capsule. Shimicho. Nikata. Voltorb. Rockruff. Whismur. Skidoo Reverse Hollow, and a Flareon regular on the back. So Other than that, we got these hits for today. This guy. This one's probably my favorite for today, the alternative. It's a nice looking card. Other than that, that's going to be all for today. Thank you guys for joining me. Let me know in the comments how you liked the video. Other than that, you have a good New Year's. Thanks for watching.